The nightingale, a small brown bird, is renowned for its powerful and beautiful song, especially during the night. This enchanting melody has captivated poets, musicians, and nature lovers for centuries. The nightingale's song is more than mere sound. It's a complex composition, often rich with variations and emotional depth. It's believed that males sing to attract mates and establish territory. The nightingale's unique ability to sing in the dark sets it apart from most birds, symbolizing hope and inspiration. Throughout history, its song has been associated with longing and romance, evoking deep emotions and stirring creativity in those who hear it. This bird embodies the eternal connection between nature and art, resonating with all who listen.